Yo, high five.
Yo, that's a 3-pounder.
That's my PB right there.
Finally, you broke your.
Me and my friend participated in a tournament by Super Bass Tournaments, Dan Ray Fishing, and Snook Snacks. Now we find the peas. There we go. Don't come on. Yes! Yes! From 1 all the way to 15. Over to that. Did he catch me? Where the heck is he?
Grandpa George. Grandpa American.
It's locked, idiot.
Yeah, I'm putting on the tiny jerk bait. I can see her shining, by the way.
This is a cichlid, that's all.
He's about to eat your bait. No, your bait's over there. Dog. It's a damn snook. That's a snook?
No, I think it's actually a largie.
Dog, that's a monster.
Alright, new clip. See if I catch another. This thing's biting. Yes, I got the tag. Oh, thanks. Oh, Daniel has one. Daniel has one. They're all biting now. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. You gotta measure it, bro. Oh my. It's smaller.
It's 14.
14 inch.
Maybe even smaller. You might win this shit. Dog, they're all... Wait,
Oh, I think I'm getting bit. Yeah. Something has to be messing with it.
Dog, that bite, that thing is instant.
I know. They're giving free lures at the end, remember?
Yeah.
And they're, what are they? Savage Gear lures.
Yeah, yeah, I know, but dude, you could get a $500 combo.
I know.
You would be an elite, dog. Bro, you got gel.
You got a good peacock too. You got a peacock. I don't care. You got a peacock. Be proud of yourself.
Bro, you got a fucking 18-incher. My God. That's no big. I consider that a
Shoot,
big
I just got a freaking
win knot. Big.
And now I got a bad win knot.
Forget about the win knot. Enjoy. You caught a big fish. You broke.
No! I forgot the tag to put the.
You forgot the tag?
To put the tag in there in the picture.
Oh shit.
Whatever, it's okay. I caught a fish. I'm happy. No fish. Let's go. Come on, high five me.
Yo, hold up. Hold on. Let me get him. Bring him over.
Oh, I'm tearing him out.
Dog, that's a big. That's the guy I was looking for. Oh, that's a nice big pounder.
Oh, He's getting tired.
Yo, dog, bring him over now. Let me get him up.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Well, I gotta.
Dude, you might win the tournament. Yeah, it's a 3.
Ooh!
I'm telling you.
God! Oh! Go get your phone now.
How big is he?
Oh, other way.
Other way.
Okay, look, 17 and almost a half. This is my. Yo, high five.
Yo, that's a 3-pounder.
That's
dog.
my PB right there.
Finally, you broke your PB.
Yeah.
Yo. 18, not 7.5.
It's 18, bro. 18.
That's like 3.5.
Okay. Oh, it's a big one. Okay, you know he's probably. Let's get him in the water.
That's not a record, dude. Yo, dog, you could win this shit.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yo, you better show that prize money. Dog, I'm jealous as hell, bro. He's 18, not 7.5. 18. He's 18 with my measuring tape.